Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This is the lecture of Grade 5 English. Let's begin with the unit number 1, Biography, and the subtitle is A Female Legend. First of all, by the title of this lesson, the question arises that what does biography means? Dear students, biography is an account of someone's life written by someone else. Let's come to the subtitle, A Female Legend. Here, legend means an extremely famous personality in his or her specific field. Dear students, this lesson is about Fatima Jinnah, who was the youngest sister of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. The lesson describes that how Fatima Jinnah played a vital role in Pakistan's movement and afterwards Pakistan's politics. Dear students, all the personalities who assisted Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Pakistan's movement and worked for days and nights are considered as our national heroes. Madre Millat Fatima Jinnah is also one of them. She devoted her whole life for assistance of her brother in making Pakistan. Even she gave up her actual profession for her noble aim of an independent country. That's why she is considered as a legend in Pakistan's history. Let's come to the reading of this lesson. Dear students, before come to the reading, write down date and day on the page number 6 from student's book and write down the meanings of difficult words on your English notebook and listen to the lesson attentively. Read the lesson with teacher. A female legend. Known as Madre Millat, Fatima Jinnah was born in Karachi on July 30th, 1893. She joined the Bandra Convent in Bombay in 1902. Dear students, this was her school. This was the place where she got her early education. She was enrolled in Dr. Ahmed's Dental College at Calcutta in 1919. On graduating in 1923, she opened a dental clinic in Bombay. Dear students, Fatima Jinnah was, by profession actually, a dentist. She was a simple, graceful and confident lady. When Quaid-e-Azam's wife, Rati Jinnah, passed away in 1929, leaving behind a daughter, Fatima Jinnah gave up her practice and went to live with her brother. Thereafter, throughout the crucial years of stress and strain, she looked after her brother and her young niece. Dear students, this shows her devotion for Pakistan and love of her brother. Crucial means decisive, very important, critical, and stress and strain means worrying conditions. Make sure you all are writing the words of meaning, the meanings and of the difficult words on your notebooks. Back to the reading. This long life companionship lasted until her brother's death on 11th September 1948. Dear students, companionship means fellowship, partnership. She was not only a dedicated supporter of her brother but an active figure in Pakistan movement. Dear students, dedicated means devoted. She joined All India Muslim League in 1940 and attended its annual sessions. Dear students, All India Muslim League was a political party run by Muslims of India. This was the political party who worked for Pakistan movement. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Fatima Jinnah were the members of this political party. Back to the reading. She played a key role in introducing a new spirit among the Muslim women to share in various developments taking place in Muslim India. She encouraged them to stand shoulder to shoulder with men during the independence struggle. She also contested the 1965 presidential elections at the age of 71. Dear students, contested means competed. Throughout her life, she remained self-sacrificing and truthful worker for the cause of Pakistan. Dear students, she of course was a self-sacrificing, as we have learned that she gave up her actual profession for this noble aim of Pakistan, in making Pakistan, and assisted her brother. This shows that she is really a self-sacrificing personality. Due to her noble work for Pakistan, the nation conferred upon her the title of Madre Millat, Mother of the Nation. Dear students, conferred means granted. She continued to work for the prosperity of the Pakistani people until she died in Karachi on July 8, 1967. Dear students, we have done with the reading. As we have read the lesson, we come to know about Fatima Jinnah's dedication for Pakistan, for which she is known as Madre Millat and considered one of the national heroes. Dear students, come to page number 7. Here, timeline of Fatima Jinnah is given. We can create a timeline to show that what people did at different times in their lives. So, here, timeline of Fatima Jinnah is given. Let's read it. In 1893, Madre Millat Fatima Jinnah was born in Karachi. In 1902, she joined the Bandra Convent in Bombay. 1919, enrolled in Dr. Ahmed's Dental College at Calcutta. 1923, she opened a dental clinic in Bombay, but later gave up her practice to look after her brother and niece. 1940, she joined the All India Muslim League and encouraged them to stand shoulder to shoulder with men during the independence struggle. In 1965, she contested the presidential elections. In 1967, she died in Karachi. Dear students, this was the end of our first lesson. We have done reading and gone through the timeline of Fatima Jinnah. I hope you all understood what we have learned today. Now you all are required to read the whole lesson with proper pronunciation and learn word meanings before the next lesson, so that you can learn it in a true spirit. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.